front, and singing again, yelling the whole time.
Kind of reminds me of Changes.
Yeah, I can see that for sure. Drummer is such a badass.
He still uses the same setup too. The Tama setup.
Get the tail.
Saying she digs the couch, or there's nothing in there.
No.
What? Oh yeah. Young skinny Jock.
Ooh.
Young skinny
so
Ryan
crazy.
Joe too. Look at how young Joey looks in that
I
picture.
know, it was like Elvis.
Elvis Joe. Yeah, that's 10 years ago, buddy.
When he was 16.
Yeah. Playing drums like a badass.
Go to torrentview.com.
Oh, it did. So, cool album. Well, I usually use Views.
Well, yeah, no, but Torrent Z is like a multitude and a whole bunch of different sites that have torrents.
Off time.
So go through it in the browser.